In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Google Ads campaign. We'll walk through the exact path you'll use to open your account, find the right campaign, and make changes like budgets, bid strategies, or pausing and deleting clearly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Ads. In the results, click the official Google Ads link to go to the platform's homepage. Once there, select Sign In. Use the Google account associated with your ads. If you manage multiple profiles, glance at the profile picture or account name in the top right to be sure you're in the correct one before moving on. After you're in, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click the campaigns icon. This brings you to the core workspace where your campaigns live. At the top, open the Campaigns dropdown. Then choose Campaigns again to display your full list. This view is useful because it shows all your campaigns in one place, including paused or limited ones, so you aren't missing anything important. Next, click on the specific campaign you want to edit. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one by checking the campaign's name, type, and current status. When you're ready, click Edit. Depending on your layout, this might appear as an Edit button, a pencil icon, or an Edit drop-down in the toolbar. From the Edit options, choose the exact change you want to make. For budgets, adjust the average daily amount to control how much you're comfortable spending each day. For bid strategy, pick the approach that aligns with your goal, whether that's maximizing clicks, conversions, or maintaining a target cost per action. To adjust status, use Enable to start running a campaign, pause to temporarily stop it without losing data, or delete to remove it entirely. Deleting is permanent, so only choose it when you're certain you won't need that campaign again. Follow the on-screen prompts for the option you selected. You may see fields, toggles, or short explanations that guide you through the change. When you're done, click Save or Apply. Look for a brief confirmation message indicating your update was successful. Most changes take effect quickly, though performance and delivery may adjust over the next few hours as the system optimizes. That's it. Search for Google Ads, sign in, open campaigns, choose your campaign, click Edit, pick your change, and save. With this flow, you can confidently fine-tune your Google Ads campaigns anytime to match your goals and budget.